Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in Nifty index option today. Now the market had opened and we could see that the price opened somewhere near 10,850s, and it had opened near the yesterday's average high. So today also you can expect the price to stay on the selling side under certain conditions, that we can select 10,950 call option, and only if the price is moving above 60 and 62 you can go for buying in this particular strike price, call option strike, or else wait for the 11,050 price to approach near 22 or 21, then you can buy this. So you can do on both the ways. At a drop, wait for the price to come near 21 22 and buy 11,050, but of course you need not place a stop, because that may be the maximum stop you can expect. Or if the price starts moving above 60 or 62 in 10,950, you can buy that option. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.